Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn any photo into oil paintings. So I have this beautiful photo of Sharbat Gula, and to turn this into an oil painting, all I have to do is go to filter, then stylize, then click oil painting. Now I have this small window and I can decrease the preview window for a better view. The rest is pretty simple. You can decrease or increase the options to see how it affects your photos. After clicking OK, you can see it doesn't look that good. So to add some light, all I have to do is enable lighting and I can change the direction as well as the shine. But just like with everything, if you push anything too hard, it won't look good. So let's try to do something better and keep it as natural as possible. Here you can see I'm keeping things simple and we get this beautiful output. So this is how you can turn any photo into an oil painting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.